Hey guys, it's Andrew from Biteplay, and today I'm running for my life. I got approached by all these people asking what Trueview ads were and InStream ads were and discovery ads, and I've never heard of these things in my life. So I'm gonna go into hiding until I can figure this out, and I'll update you guys in a couple days.
3 days later.
Great news, I figured out all the different YouTube ad formats and vocabulary, and I'm ready to share it with you all. First, a vocab lesson. Trueview ads are meant to be displayed to people who actually want to watch them. Viewers are given the option of what they want to watch and not watch, such as with the skipped ad feature. So these ads are meant to be more effective and more targeted. CPV stands for cost per view and is a billing method that charges you for each view. CPA stands for cost per action or cost per acquisition, and it keeps track of a metric such as a sale, a lead, or a website visit, and the cost to get each one of them. Lastly, CPM is the cost per 1,000 impressions. Okay, great. Now that the vocab is out of the way, let's get to the meat of the video, the YouTube ad formats. The first type of ad format is the skippable InStream ad, which is a Trueview ad. These ads appear before, during, or after a YouTube video and can be skipped after 5 seconds, the classic example of a YouTube ad. But like I said in my last video, the skip button should not be feared because you only pay once someone watches past the 30-second mark in the video. In this way, it's typically billed on a cost per view or CPV basis, but it can also be billed by target CPA or target CPM. These ads are great for sales, leads, brand awareness, reach, basically everything. They're a great all-around ad format, a crowd pleaser. They're very cheap and can be targeted very easily with Biteplay. InStream ads can also be non-skippable, which is by far the best way to annoy viewers. No, I'm just kidding. These are more for the brand awareness and reach campaign objectives and are billed based on CPM. The next format is the discovery ad. Discovery ads are placed in areas where users can discover them themselves, such as in search results or related videos. These ads are used to increase channel subscribers, bring brand awareness, increase product exposure, and get second stage sales. They're also very effective when used for remarketing. You are charged for these ads when someone clicks on the thumbnail, so it's based on CPV. And once they start watching, make sure you engage them with cards, links in the description, and whatever elements you can. These ads are great because the viewer takes initiative to watch, and they're really easy to target with Biteplay. With Biteplay, you can target specific search terms to put your discovery ads on, and you can find related videos to place your discovery ads next to very easily. The last major type of ad is the overlay ad. I'm sure you've seen these before. These are image overlays at the bottom of a YouTube video that link to the advertiser's webpage. These are only cost per click or CPC, but they're much cheaper than other CPC advertising methods using Google and Facebook. And of course, they're targeted very easily if you use Biteplay. These are the primary YouTube ad formats that you'll be using the most. However, there are some other ones for more specific purposes like bumper and masthead ads, but only if you're a nerd. If you want more information on how to crush it with your YouTube ad campaigns, you can check out the free webinar on the Biteplay website. It goes through how to create hyper-targeted ads, how to hijack your competitors' traffic ethically, and much, much more. We also have a free ebook going through the entire YouTube advertising process and a Facebook group that you can join for support. With these resources, you can start running your ads immediately and triple your results. The links to all these resources are in the video description. That's it for today's video. Now you can tell your mom all your newfound knowledge on YouTube ads while she smiles and pretends to care as much as you do. Subscribe to the Biteplay YouTube channel for more free value all about YouTube advertising, and make sure to utilize the resources I mentioned above that are in the video description. Peace.